Hello, colleagues, and welcome to Course 3 of the ID series. This series of 4 online courses is designed to support the development of competencies, expertise, and skills in new and online experienced instructional designers, librarians, multimedia specialists, you name it, there's a spot for all of us. A certificate will be awarded upon successful completion of each course. Completion of all 4 courses is required to earn the overarching certificate for the Instructional Designer program. You don't have to take the courses in order, or they can be completed as just a standalone single course professional development activity. This is Course 3, and it is focused on collaborating, researching, and networking. Great instructional designers continually improve their professional knowledge and skills through networking, research, and collaboration. In this course, you will assess your knowledge of learning and instructional theories, current learning trends, and instructional designer competencies. You will then engage in research, networking, and collaboration to address those needs. You'll also explore well-established theories of learning and instruction that are meant to foster critical and creative thinking. Our focus will be to evaluate those theories and strategies to use in different courses and contexts, and then apply those strategies in ways that support deeper learning. This course uses several different instructional methods, and you'll be researching so you can actually experience them while you learn about them. A little applied experiential learning for you. We have a variety of learning objectives in the course, so I would encourage you to take a look at those and make sure that you're familiar with what those expectations will be. I'm going to be posting regular announcements in the news forum to remind you of upcoming events and to provide some guidance that'll be essential to your successful completion. Be sure to check them out pretty frequently so that you can stay abreast of what's coming down the pike. During this course, as you work on the activities, you may need some help from me, so don't hesitate to reach out with any technical problems, content problems, administrative issues like grading, or any comments about how we can make this workshop a more meaningful experience. Be sure to use the help forum to get any assistance with the above. I check that every day, multiple times a day often, and so I'm excited to be here with you on this 4-week journey together. This week, you're going to post your introduction, you're going to join a group for an activity in the course, and you will discuss theories and methods. It's a busy week. There's lots to do, so let's dig right in.